Welcome to DMV Movers LLC, your complete guide to corporate relocation. We understand that moving your business can be a daunting task, but with our expertise and experience, we'll make the process as seamless as possible. At DMV Movers LLC, we specialize in corporate relocation services, ensuring that your move is stress-free and efficient. From small offices to large corporations, we have the resources and skills to handle any size of relocation. Our dedicated team will work closely with you to develop a customized plan that suits your unique needs. We understand that every business is different, and that's why we offer flexible services tailored to your requirements. Our professional movers will handle everything from packing up your office supplies, furniture, and equipment to securely transporting them to your new location. We use high-quality packing materials to ensure the protection of your valuable assets. Rest assured, we prioritize the safety and security of your belongings throughout the entire relocation process. Our skilled team employs efficient techniques and modern equipment to streamline the move, minimizing the risk of damage or loss. Not only do we offer reliable transportation, but we also provide comprehensive moving and unpacking services. Our experts will carefully unpack and arrange everything at your new location, so you can quickly resume your business operations. With DMV Movers LLC, you can have peace of mind knowing that we are a licensed and insured moving company. We prioritize customer satisfaction, and our team is trained to ensure professionalism and efficiency at every step of the way. For over a decade, we have been assisting businesses like yours in successful corporate relocations. Let us take the stress off your shoulders and handle the logistics, so you can focus on what's important, growing your company. Thank you for watching our video on the complete guide to corporate relocation with DMV Movers LLC. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. Contact us today to get started on your next move.